Next we are going to define or learn about RDBMS. Okay, RDBMS means Relational Database Management System. What is that? Relational Database Management System is a collection of data items organized in the form of table. Organized means what? It is a predefined set of format. Okay, what is that? Predefined set of format. It is arranged. Okay, already the system RDBMs are arranged some format. In that format only we can create the table. Okay, if we created the tables means that is called as a RDBMS. Okay, the concept of the RDBMS was given by who? E.F. Code at IBM in 1970. In which company they are created? RDBMS means what? IBM. Okay, who created RDBMS? E.F. Code. E.F. Code at IBM factory, IBM company. In which year they are created? In 1970. Okay, so in this one sentence we can create 4 questions. Okay, yeah, the concept of dash was given by the EF Code at IBM in 1970 means what is the answer? RDBMS. Okay, yeah, so we can create the 4 questions. The next one, the relational database is a set of the table containing the fitted into predefined category. Already they are set at some predefined category. I told you no. To that format only we can create the information. Okay, so every table is called one relation. All the tables called is what? Is a relation. In that relation, one row is called what? Data. Data means what? One person, the whole information of the one person. That is called what? Data. For example, in student table, okay, the one particular information of the one person, for example, serial number, name of the student, mark 1, mark 2, mark 3, mark 4, mark 5, and the total of the all marks and average of the all marks and the result and percentage, everything is saying about the one person. Okay, so the one row is called what? Is a data, and one column is a, what is that? Is a category. Okay, it is a category. Okay, did you understand, students? The examples of the database, telephone directory. Okay, so in that telephone directory, what are the columns there? Containing the name of the telephone. Okay, the name of the telephone holder and address, the holder address, and phone numbers, and many people having the same name but phone number is different and serial number is different, but same person, the same, maybe living in same place, but phone number is different. Okay, the phone number only the unique value. Okay, what is that? Unique value. You learn, you remind that word, the phone directory. Okay, telephone directory, remind that. Okay, the coming chapter we can take the same example for the another one topic. Okay, the next one, object of the database. Okay, what is the object of the database? The first one is a table, second one is a query, third one is a form, and fourth one is a report. What are that? Table, query, form, report. These are the topic is called, what is that? What is that? Object of the database. Okay, in tables means record and field. Okay, record mean is a row and field mean is a columns. Record means row, that is called a data, and field is a column. Okay, query means what? We can take from the one information from the table. Okay, asking question is there, no, that is called here query. Set the some condition, through the conditions only we can take one data. Okay, that is called what? Query. Okay, form means what? Form is like filling the blank sheet. Okay, so we need to enter the information to the form means the form, they enter the data, then automatically go and fetched and add in the database. Okay, yeah, that is called a form. After that fetched forms, we can take the table wise information means what? It is a report. Okay, it is a printing report. Okay, printed wise. Okay, printed just form of the mean to view as the screen. Okay,